Good afternoon. We are out driving the AMC Gremlin. It's amazing how many heads this little car turns. I've driven cars 4 and 5 times what this car is worth, and they don't get any more attention than this one. I'm thinking it's because everybody's got a gremlin story. Everybody had an uncle, an aunt, a father. As a matter of fact, the guy that's taking this video, his dad owned one of these. So this particular car is even more reliable than the original Gremlins were, and they were pretty reliable cars. This one has a modern 4.0 liter fuel injected straight 6-cylinder out of a Jeep Cherokee, as well as the overdrive automatic out of the Jeep Cherokee. So basically you've got the reliability, fuel economy of a modern vehicle with overdrive transmission, and the rear end has actually been made a little more heavy duty by the use of a rear end out of a AMC AMX. So essentially you've got a car that you could take out and drive every day. You could take it on trips. You could take it to local car shows. You can take it to Cars and Coffee and have a blast while having ultra reliability and plenty of power for this little car. As you can see in the video and the walk around, it's a really cool looking little car. I enjoy driving it. Everything works, including the JVC cassette player. Guess that was probably put in the 80s sometime. But overall, the car is in excellent condition. It's obviously been refurbished, painted, etc. But I do believe this is very close, if not the original color on the car. It is a Gremin X. I don't know if that's why it has the two-tone blue interior or not. Some of you AMC Gremlin experts might be able to tell us. But this is a great little car for someone that wants to go out and actually use their classic. Give us a call at 843-749-1776.